I'm convinced Arm& Hammer is behind this because why are you using this much baking soda? And that wasn't even baking soda. We don't know what that is. But let's see what this AI voice is going to tell us that farmers allegedly use. It's amazing. We always say farmers are using these things, but when you go and talk to real farmers, they're like, was a farmer there? Like, who said that? How did I get in it, right? Baking soda changes the pH drastically and don't like and share them. Baking soda drastically changes the pH of your soil, which can negatively impact your plants, will negatively impact your plants. And you don't want that, so you wouldn't use that in a horticultural sense. So you're gonna mix vinegar, salt, oh my God, and baking soda. This is my first time watching this all the way through. And they're gonna spray it on your plants. And the only plants you're gonna have after that are plastic because they're gonna be dead. All of your plants are gonna be out to the upper room with Jesus. This is so silly. Please, these